Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well. So guys, once again I am with you and today I am going to teach you English literature from your main book, First Flight. Poetry number 2. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Robert Frost, he was born in 1874 and died in 1963. Fire and Ice is also a short poem, just as Dust of Snow by Robert Frost, very short poem. This poem is also short poem, consists of 2 stanzas. So guys, I am going to read the poem before you. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. 2 stanzas. So the first stanza says, some say the world will end in fire. Some say means the poet wants to say, some people they do say that world will one day perish with fire, due to fire. Some say in ice. Some people they do say no, one day the world will perish due to ice, with ice. Some from what I have tasted of desire, but according to me, whatever I have experienced, I hold with those who favor fire. According to me, as per my analysis, both can destroy world in future or one day. But if it had to perish twice, if a debate takes place, then I would say that if I am given 2 chances, that means 2 chances will be given to me or to anybody, then I would say I think I know enough of hate. Then I would say that hate is more fatal than fire. To say that for destruction ice, just like ice, hate is like ice. It can create any sort of destruction. It can destroy. Feeling of hatred can destroy. Is also great and would suffice. Ice is sufficient to destroy anybody, anything in the world. So this is the content of the poem. So this is the content of the poem, but there is an intense philosophy hidden in the poem. According to Frost, fire and ice, the contrast of 2 aspects of nature. Fire, it is symbolic. Here, the theme or philosophy, fire symbolizes greed of wealth, greed of money, greed of power, position, rank. Fire symbolizes greed of human beings. And on the contrary, ice symbolizes hatred, envy, jealousy, treachery. Both can destroy or create destruction, but the ways are different. Fire, it acts as blaze. Ice is frozen. It can restore. Restore means we can restore if second chance is given. Restore our hatred feelings, restore our envy, restore our jealousy, restore our treacherous activities, and we can easily destroy it, but we can restore it. Once I have invested, that means already I have implemented or used or imposed upon anybody, once again I can restore it. And if any chance I will get in future, I will implement and impose for the second time. That is more dangerous than fire, according to the poet, according to Robert Frost. Fire, it is visible, it destroys everything within short span of time. But on the contrary, ice, it is frozen. That means it symbolizes hatred, symbolizes envy, jealousy, and this these characteristics we can sustain for long time, even till death, the poet says. Even till demise we can inculcate, we can cultivate it. That means the poet wants to say, or the poet wants to convey the message to the readers through the lines of the poem, that both are the destructive objects, but the ways are different. That is the philosophy of the poem. Hope students you have understood what I have explained before you. So on the basis of today's lecture, I am going to give you some questions.